Another note, dealing with the prison reform ministry, and there's an article dealing with some events that are going on, celebrating Brother Calvin X, the NOI Prison Reform Ministry, Delaware Valley Region recognizes inmate study group coordinator. Can you give us a little bit about that article and what's going on with the prison ministry?
You know, we never want to forget the believers that are locked away. So we always like to share their stories, and this is a brother who for a long time has been serving in prison and who has steadily tried to propagate the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad under the leadership of Minister Farrakhan to help change and save lives. So, I mean, this is really an incredible work. It's an inspiring work, and it's always a great honor to showcase the transformative power of the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, the power of the Nation of Islam to remake black men and women, the power of the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad to engage in true prison reform, meaning you are literally transforming the lives of those who have been destroyed not by the Nation of Islam, but those who have been destroyed by this society. So it's a great article written by Brother Gregory Muhammad, who is the Student Regional Prison Reform Minister for the Delaware Valley region based in Philadelphia, and a brother who was formerly incarcerated himself. But he has just continued now that he's home to serve those that are still locked up. So again, very important. You should get a subscription for the final call for your loved ones if they're locked up, whether they're Muslims or not. Everybody needs a good word. Everybody needs something that can inspire. Everybody needs something in particular in that situation that can bring some light and some hope. So go to finalcall.com, get your subscription, and send it to your loved ones. Help them. Don't forget them. But they need information and they need inspiration to change, especially in that environment, because many of the departments of corrections today, they've even removed language about corrections from their official mission. Now, it used to be in the mission, but they weren't fulfilling it. Today, many of them have removed any reference to corrections or reform from their mission. They just basically locking you up, warehousing you, working you, and abusing you. So we need to understand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. There's a